Hello, I'm Dennis, and I'm the co-founder of Wally. Wally is a company that we've created to help individuals like you succeed in the financial markets. What do? We essentially provide you with stock tips and coaching so that you can learn to become financially independent on your own. And that's the beautiful thing about our company, is that we're not like any other system out there where we promise to earn 100%, 200%, or 1,000%. We teach you step by step on how you could go about to buy quality companies at the right times and how you can prosper year after year and be on your way to financial independence. So I'm going to take 5 minutes and I'm going to show you our website. So you can go on to www.wealthywally.com, and this is what you're going to see. So if you log in once you become a member, you're going to see a few extra tabs in the top menu where you're going to have a section with a blog, you're going to have other information which is private to our members, but essentially you're going to see all of the information that our newsletters contain, but they're embedded on the website so that you can clearly see which stocks we're recommending to buy and sell. So you might ask, what does Wealthy Wally mean? Essentially, Wally just means a regular plain Joe, a normal person, someone like you, someone like me, who has a full-time day job and works to make a living. But what we wanted to do is create this website, this company, where we can teach individuals that don't have any financial background, any knowledge of the stock market, and how they can apply time-tested principles and strategies by themselves so that they can become financial independent. So, me, Sven, and Gentis, so my two other business partners, we each manage one portfolio on our own. And our newsletter provides you information about the 3 portfolios, and you could choose to follow along any one of the portfolios, or even the 3 of them if you have enough time and energy to want to do that, and that would be great. So, just to give you a little bit of insight on what we do, we've created this combined newsletter that we've basically included all of our market research, and we print that newsletter on a monthly basis. And also, in our website, we have a community where we provide blog information such as key concepts to investing. And one of the concepts or articles that I like to go back to on a routine basis is our Cash is King article. And essentially, what this article talks about is how keeping cash at hand, so keeping a portion of your portfolio in cash, and why it's important. And the reason for that is, unlike banks or mutual funds or even private wealth investment councils, they like to take all of the cash that you have available and allocate it immediately upon the creation of the portfolio. And we believe that's a big mistake, because how can you possibly say that if you, John, decide to open a bank account at a given bank and you provide them with $15,000, that on that day they're going to buy all the correct investments for you and that all of the pricing makes sense on that day? It doesn't make any sense. So you have to average into your position over time. And we at Wealthy Wally conduct all the research, provide, we have watch lists of numerous amounts of stocks, and when it becomes time to buy those stocks, we alert you through our newsletter. And that's how you can follow along with us. So if you don't have a lot of time to do research on key quality companies to invest in, this is the perfect product for you. All it really takes is 5 minutes a month where you would skim through our newsletter on page 9, 11, and 13, look at our stock recommendations for each of the respective portfolios, and you can buy the same stocks as we do in our portfolios, and we would basically yield the same performance. So that's the beauty of the Wealthy Wally Stock Picks newsletter. So we hope that you can take a few minutes and look at our website. Once again, below you'll see the link on YouTube, but it's www.wealthywally.com. And I hope to be hearing from you if you have any questions via email. We answer every email that people send us. And, sooner or later, we hope to see you on the other side, part of our investment community. Thanks for listening.